Yo, what up guys? Scotty the trainer, and today we're going to work on fundamental form shooting. This is good for all ages, not just beginners, but from all the way from CYO all the way up to the NBA. Everyone uses this, especially when you first walk into a gym. It's a great way to line your shot up and keep it intact the whole time, and definitely work on that precision, all right? So we're going to get right into the video, and I hope you like it.
Looks at the clock, rising for three. He drills it!
All right guys, now before we get into the shooting, quick note I just want to make is make sure we're in that 90-degree angle. We're sitting down in our stance and as close to that 90-degree angle as you can, and we're following through all the way. Make sure that elbow is extending all the way through until the follow through, okay? And we're not forward, we're straight up in the air, okay? Now, how I start out is I have 3 spots, all right? Left baseline, dead center, right baseline, shooting at the hoop. I start out one-handed. So one-handed, make 10 at each spot, so there's 30 makes. Then I do two-handed. 2 at each spot, or 10 at each spot, 30 makes again. Then after that, I do precision shooting, which is only swishes. You only count the swishes, so you got to make one-handed again, 30 around, but it's got to be 30 just swishes. Then you do two-hand, 30 just swishes, all right? This is what it looks like. So right here, on our stance, straight up. Alright, now, after we do that, we're going to go to the middle spot. Alright, here we go. And guys, we're not going to be too far away from the hoop either. It's like a step, 2 steps away from the rim, alright? Now to the last side. Now we're going to go into the two-hand shot, just like your regular shot. Same thing, only a foot or 2 away from the rim. And again, we're making 30 total, 10 at each spot. All right, here we go. Same thing to the middle now. Now the last side. Right there is a couple of drills you guys can do on your own. Fundamental form shooting, again, one hand around, then two hands. After you do that, then precision. It'll take you about 30 to 45 minutes to keep doing this. It's okay, do more too. If you want to do more reps, reps is key in basketball. You need a lot of reps. To do a lot of reps, maybe you want to do 50 at each spot. Expand it so then you can do for an hour, you know. Just stay as close to the hoop in the beginning and get it down. It's also a great thing to do before games, before in practice. Just keep your shot lined up and ready to go. All right. So I hope you liked the video, guys. If you have Any questions and any suggestions for other videos, please let me know in the comments down below. It's Scotty the trainer here with Switch Elite Training. Oh, and one last thing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. All right? Have a good one.